Hello everyone, this is Joshua. Registration number UR14CS123. This is the eighth experiment of Compiler Lab, which deals with the simulation of an absolute loader. So basically, an absolute loader is a part of an operating system that is responsible for loading programs into libraries and into various memory locations. So first of all, in the class absolute, I declare certain strings to identify the program name, the object name, and the starting address. And I initialize a long variable d is 0 and similarly various other integers. Now using the buffered reader, we take the input from the program. So enter the program name, that is the name of the program in the text file. So this is the text file from which the program will be read. So the program's name is sample here. So moving on, we the length of this file is put into a long variable called size, and then we compare it with 0. If size is greater than 0 only, then we can move forward. So then we check for various fields. See, each field is the header field which contains first the name of the record and the starting address. So this is the name of the record sample, and we take the substring because it starts from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it ends at 8. So we use the formula substring for that. We use the function substring for that, and then the substring is obviously the object name from the object program name. So that is printed here. And then we get the file pointer and store it in D. Now, if the program name equals the object name, then we check again for the size, and then we check for another record T. The T is a text field. It contains all the text areas, and if the program comes across any character type variable, it converts into a hexadecimal. So the same thing we do. We take the substring again and we pass it as the starting address. So this part is the starting address, and it is loaded into this straddr variable. Same way we move on, we look for dollar, and for the upper caret the same way, and then we increment the starting address and we add 2 to the I variable. Now we check for E. E is signifies the end of the record. So this is E. It signifies the end of the record. So once this is found, we store the file pointer to D, and this is if the program name isn't entered correctly. So then you catch an exception, and then in the public class you just include a main function which has an object absolute A is equal to new absolute and display. So when the program is run, I enter the program that is sampled from the text file, and as you can see, it retrieves the object program name, that is this. So the starting address, as we all know, 001 0000. So this is the starting address, and it converts all the character variables into hexadecimal. So once it does that, this is the output that is formed at different addresses. These are the various data that is present. That's it for the eighth experiment. Thank you.